Well, hello there, my dear friends. Welcome back to the Scott Reed Project. So, fourth week of lockdown. This terrible COVID-19 is still rampant across the world. I hope where you are, you're keeping safe and you're all well. As for me, obviously, I've been butchering like a good un, doing some freelance butchering. We cannot prepare the meat quick enough. And I remember thinking, I wonder if we'll ever go back to the heyday of butchery, you know, like in the 80s where everybody shopped at the independent shop. Well, that's what it's like now. And it's just a shame that it's taken something so terrible to get people going back into independent shops. But such is life. I cannot change that. So, what have we got this week? Well, it's another sausage making video. This time it's classic pork and leek. Now, obviously I've been super busy, so I pretty much didn't have time to narrate this video, but you'll see all of the process from start to finish. I got a little bit fancy on the camera work. I will put the recipe, definitely I will put the recipe in the description if you would like to make this at home, and then just follow the steps. It's pretty simple. Get your rusk, soak your rusk, get your meat, put your seasoning on your meat through the mincer, rusk into the meat, leek into the meat, leek into the meat, give it a mix, back through the mincer, pipe them into sausages, tie them, and Robert's your mother's brother. So, please do excuse me, I didn't narrate it. I know I'm a slacker. It's terrible. But hopefully a bit further down the line, the SRP will get our act together and get back on top. So, until next time, please enjoy this video. Do give it a thumbs up, even though there's no talking. Share it with your friends and stay safe. I'll see you at the end. Let's do it. It's so hot here. Well, my friends, I hope you enjoyed that episode of the Scott Reed Project. If you did, please click subscribe when my face comes down in this corner, this beautiful thing. Although I'm a bit hot, a bit flustered, looks like I've been on a crack binge. Sleepless nights and work. What a combination. Also, check me out on my social media, my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, at the Scott Reed Project. I'm also on LinkedIn. And if you're feeling generous, I will put a PayPal link in the description under the ingredients. I always say that and never do it, but I will. Yeah, get on there if you want to donate £1 or £1 million to help the project along. That's entirely up to you. Like I say, we won't get offended. I won't get offended if you don't want to give nothing. Anyway, until next time, take care, keep safe, stay indoors, keep 2 meters apart. You know the drill. And remember, don't stop believing, baby. Rock on. And I'll tell you one thing before I go. I am not cutting my hair myself. Check this bad boy out. God knows what I'm going to look like in 6 months' time. Still a handsome